Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 29th of January. Looking at cable now, what we do have in the next couple of days are two central banks, the Federal Reserve and the Bank of England, both with monetary policy decisions. The Fed is unlikely to do anything really that special, but the Bank of England could still cut rates. Could do. Now, what we've seen in the last week, or 4 sessions in a row, is all bear closes and negative candles to boot. So we're putting pressure now back on this uptrend, which interestingly links all these higher lows since November. However, there are a run of lower highs as well. So you do still have this converging sense to how cable is trading back towards the 130 big figure, pretty much on a consistent basis coming back towards that level. That was the old breakout from the October-November highs. Is the breakout about 130, means that given the fact that we've retreated back to 129 figure, that means we do have a 129 to 130 big figure support band, and that continues to hold, has done throughout January. In terms of momentum indicators, there's a slight negative bias, given the fact that we've closed lower for the last 4 sessions, and you've got stochastics falling away, you've got MACD lines just sort of starting to edge a touch lower. There is this slight negative bias, although, as I said, we're back and holding that support around 130 big figure again. So is this a negative move that you'd be looking to sell at the moment? Well, you've got the 2 central banks, which, well, as I said, Fed's unlikely to do a great deal this evening, so we can't say there's going to be a great deal of decisive dollar strength out of that. But if the Bank of England cuts rates, then you will see this 29 figure level being breached and a move to the downside again. 27.65 comes into play. However, tomorrow, if the Bank of England doesn't cut rates, then you could quite easily see this rallying again. So this is the point at which we see this market, I think, just consolidating. And it's consolidating just a shade lower today, but nothing decisive. So we see this on the hourly chart, where slight negative configuration, failing around 60 on the hourly RSI, underneath neutral on the MACD. But is this, I think, now going to be a chart that starts to consolidate with the 2 central bank meetings in mind? I think it is. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.